Here's the actual camera. That is a 4K camera that displays 1080p. Has a solar, the bracket to put on the license plate. Underneath that is also some double-sided tape if you don't have the license plate bracket or need a different adjustment. Inside of this box, we have our 6-volt plug. And that's a nice long cord on the 6-volt plug with the USB on it. And then the button to turn on and off the controller. That is the adapter with the USB-C to plug and charge the actual camera part. This is the bracket, so we can put the screen right on our windshield or on our dash. Connect it just like that.